All right, landscaping's been done, driveway's been painted, and she's just about ready. Yep, just about ready. Oh, just one more thing. Let me just sort out this bad boy, and we're ready to go. Joel, this fabulous 3-bedroom home is going to spark a bit of interest. It's got plenty of potential. It's a beautiful blank canvas, and the best part about it is it's actually down the road from a local park, and it's also around the corner from local shops and schools. Yeah, can't wait to put this one on the market, that's for sure. Anyway. Oh, are you filming? Well, in that case, let's just go check it out.
It's all the same, but some things never change. I couldn't stop and